Hello to all of our YouTubers. Today we are not in the workshop, we are in the kitchen. Most of us have some sort of kitchen and a refrigerator of some sort. My refrigerator requires a filter. My dogs are fussy and spoiled and will, for whatever reason, only drink the finest filtered well water. So here we are. This is the Frigidaire Pure Source. Believe it or not, the part number is Ultrawf. I am hoping the WF stands for water filter. I ordered it from Amazon because it was not terribly priced. Here is what the filter looks like. We've got those guys that come off. This is part of the gripping mechanism. And there's really no printed instructions. You gotta loop slide that thing in there. We'll go over to the fridge and we'll install it. Alrighty, here we are at the refrigerator. I currently have an off-brand filter that Amazon no longer sells. It worked fairly well. As you can see, we took off those covers on the nipples, and the way this is supposed to work, you give it a push in and then out. There's the old filter. Here is the new filter. Hopefully I wasn't totally in the way. Push in, comes out, and then to install it, just kapow. And there we go. Brand new filter. And being as I'm a bit curious in how long this will last, I'm gonna write our date on this.